Okay, what's going on, guys? It's February 25th, I think, 2011, and my girlfriend got me something, and I was gonna unbox it. I actually know what it is. I've already opened it. Hold on. Alright. What do we have here? It is the new Apple TV. It is serial number DCYF7 4EKDDR5. Some of the specs: you can rent high-definition movies and TV shows, enjoy Netflix and YouTube, stream media from iTunes on a PC or Mac. It has an 802.11n Wi-Fi wireless. It is 720p compatible. It has a remote. I don't know if you want to know any other specs. And that's the back of the box. Now we're gonna unbox this bad boy, and I need to let's see if I could just. It's hard doing shit left-handed. Hold on. Alright, here we go. This is definitely a big moment in my life as I unbox my first ever Apple TV. Oh, that is sweet. It's really tiny. It's like a brick that fits in the size in my hand. Probably about the size of, I don't know. It's small. Here's the cool remote. Nice. And is there any other goodies in here? Power cable to make it work. And some instructions. And this, my friends, is the unboxing of the Apple TV.